Struggling to manage your finances? In today's video, I'll share 5 essential personal finance tips for beginners that will transform how you handle money. Our first tip is to create a budget. Budgeting is the foundation of personal finance. It helps you understand where your money is going and where you can cut back. Start by tracking all your income and expenses for a month. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to make this process easier. You can use any budgeting app to stay on top of your finances. Apps will categorize your expenses, show you a clear picture of your spending habits, and make it easier to manage your finances. Next, pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before you spend on anything else. Aim to save at least 20% of your income so that it can go into an emergency fund, retirement account, or investments. Automate your savings if possible. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure you save consistently without thinking about it. Third, understand and manage your debt. Not all debt is bad, but it's crucial to know the difference between good debt and bad debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt. Create a debt repayment plan and stick to it. Prioritizing repayment of high-interest debt helps improve your financial health and stability. Consider using methods like the debt avalanche or debt snowball to tackle your debts effectively. These strategies can help you stay motivated and make significant progress. Fourth, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can protect you from unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3-6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Start small if you need to, and gradually increase your savings. Remember, every little bit helps. Finally, start investing. Investing is key to growing your wealth over time. Beginners can start with low-cost index funds or ETFs for less risk and good returns. Additionally, consider learning about investing or seeking guidance from a financial advisor to make informed decisions. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compound interest. To recap, the 5 essential personal finance tips for beginners are: create a budget, pay yourself first, understand and manage your debt, build an emergency fund, and start investing. Implementing these tips will set you on a path to financial stability and growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WealthVista for more financial tips and insights.